Cook Manufacturing offers gas-fired batch ovens for a variety of industries. Our ovens are designed for demanding applications and built to last. This video will discuss the different features and options available on our gas-fired batch ovens. Our ovens are ideal for most industrial applications, including composite curing and powder coating. We offer 3 different temperature ranges depending on your application. Custom temperature ranges are also available. Our batch ovens feature an insulated enclosure constructed from 20-gauge aluminized steel and 4-pound mineral wool insulation. The heat box, which contains the main blower and burner package, is typically located on top of the enclosure. Our hinged doors feature robust hardware for years of reliable operation. We also offer several options to customize your oven based on the layout of your facility or process requirements. Our burner packages are efficient and provide years of reliable operation. The burner features a 20-to-1 turn-down ratio, which allows the oven to heat up quickly. A self-checking UV scanner allows the oven to be used continuously. The main blower circulates heated air through the internal ductwork of the oven. Adjustable nozzles on the ductwork are used to balance the airflow inside the oven. Our standard top-down airflow configuration is ideal for most applications. We also offer several other airflow configurations depending on the parts being cured. Our standard control package includes a full-color touchscreen controller for simple operation. A few standard features include a batch timer, programmable recipes, and a convenient auto shutdown mode for the last batch of the day. Buying directly from the manufacturer has its benefits. We've got you covered with everything from installation to spare parts and service. Our ovens are also backed by a 1-year warranty for an added peace of mind. Contact us today to learn more.